Hey traders, another video here just covering the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Don't forget, if you want to learn to trade, just jump underneath this video. Free training's right there. If you look at the dollar yen, a little bit of weakness coming in. This is mostly fueled by the dollar. We know that as of late, at least, we've had a lot of comments out of the Bank of Japan in regards to their monetary policy approach. We know there's a big deviation across the board versus major global economies, and that is what is causing this sustained move up. Once you had this fall, it really came off the back of a few things. You had scares around a US recession potentially feeding into safe havens like the Japanese yen, for example. That's why you had such a yen move. You also had a bit of rhetoric in regards to rate hikes. Okay, also would cause yen strength. But now it seems that they're really getting away from that, and it looks like they're not desperate to do anything with rates in Japan that is going to support, a fall. So that's where you sit at the moment. The fall you have now just comes off the back of a bit of dollar weakness. Whether that will be sustained or not is quite debatable, especially against yens. You've got to remember that the rate of interest in Japan is considerably lower than everywhere else or most other major economies. So, traders are still happy to buy. Obviously, they're going to get paid more if they do. For that reason, I would just be a bit careful shorting. Before, I was more happy at this area. I did call that short. If you had it short, I would kill it off. It just looked weak, and there's a good chance I think you're going to get higher. That level higher that I've just noted is going to sit probably nearer your 78.6. I really wouldn't be happy to take anything more short until that point, because I think you've still got strength there, and you've really got to be careful, just like gold. Make an absolute minimal size on this. Don't go crazy, and just look for falls that way. If you want to buy it, you can do it here with risk. Okay, you're going to have to be very careful. Whether that supplies a bounce or not is going to be debatable. Would pull you back to your 20 MA. Otherwise, I would just consider it much lower over here, back with these lows, because that's really where you had previous strength. I think that level will be ideal. So those are my two levels going forward. Thanks for watching. Go underneath if you want to learn to trade. See you soon.